Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Micaela. I'm going to be doing this angel and devil tutorial for you guys today. I got this idea from Leslie Aileen. I think that's how you say her name. I saw it on Instagram. This is the picture I saw here. It's amazing. She's a very good artist. I'm trying to get my dog to be in the video and he keeps running away. There's that. Okay, so I already did my face and brows off camera. I only did contour, bronzer, and blush. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre. Okay, so I'm gonna do the angel on this eye. I'm gonna take the M441, just a big blending brush, and I'm using the Modern Renaissance, this color right here. And I'm just going to use that as the transition shade. Alright, now I'm taking the M443, it's just a little bit smaller, and I'm going to take Warm Taupe in that same palette and focus that more just in the crease. Now I'm taking a tiny brush, M562, and I'm going to take Cypress Umber and do that just in the outer V. There. Don't. Hey. So annoying. Alright, now I'm taking the M433 again in that second color and go underneath. Take the dark shade and do it just. Bear, come here. Stop it. Stop it. No, I'm filming. Yeah, go in my room. So I'm just doing that on the outside. Now I'm going to take this color here, the first one, on an M167, just a flat brush. Sorry if you hear him a lot in the background. I ordered a microphone and it doesn't work, so that's great. And I'm just gonna do this in the inner part of the lid, kind of like a half cut crease. And now I'm gonna take the third color. It's a shimmer, so I'm gonna spray my brush a little bit and pat that right on top. I'm going to take that tiny brush again and make sure the edges are blended. This is a highlight, but it's so pretty. I'm taking the 433 one last time. I'm just going to make sure it's blended here on the corner for the hard part. I'm going to take this NYX liner. Okay, it just splattered all over me. Look at this. Do kind of like 4 little lines and then just like a normal liner connected to it. Okay, that wasn't too bad. I made that top line like really thick, so I'm just taking like a flat brush with some concealer. Okay, I just coated my entire eyelashes with a white eyeliner on accident, so that's good. Fun and fresh. That was so jinxed all over me. Now I'm just gonna take the liner and line the rest of my eye. Yeah, this liner ain't it. It's all over my lashes. I'm gonna go into the Morphe 35B. That was my shoulder. Alright, I'm gonna take this yellow color and just do a little circle right here. Okay, now I'm going to take the same white liner and I'm just going to draw like on the inside of that. I totally just covered up all the yellows. Okay, now I'm taking this gold NYX liner and going over the light. Okay, now I'm taking this same glitter and putting it right on my crease. You're gonna stop about the same area where you stop the white. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the other eye. I'm gonna use this red right here and mixed in with the Lime Crime Venus palette. Got it a long time ago, so right here. I'm gonna take an M411 and do the same thing that we did with the brown. This looks a little bit pink. I'm gonna mix it in with a color from the Jaclyn Hill. Probably this dark red, just a little bit of it. I'm going to take an M443 with that dark red and keep that just in the crease. I'm going to take that first brush that we used and blend out the edges. Every time I use like red or pink shadows, it stains. And tomorrow I have choreography for cheer, which I'm obviously not going to wear makeup to. So I'm literally going to have one stained eye. Blend it out for a real one. Now I'm going to take another flat brush from Morphe. And I'm going to take black. Kind of scared for this. And pack it on the lid. I've never used black on my lid. And if you were wondering, yes, I am going to go in public like this because I have work. Don't worry, I work at a makeup store though. I'm going to take this tiny brush and blend the edge of that. I'm going to take the M433 with a little bit more of the dark red and put it in the corner. Okay, now I'm going to do a winged liner, black on this eye. So this wing has like a little devil's tail coming out from underneath and it goes over and like around. I actually don't have red liner. I'm just going to use some of this Kylie lipstick in Mary. I think it's called Bougie now because it was like in the holiday collection when I got it. I didn't even do the bottom. Bear, can you stop? And I'm going to take some black on this little brush and just do the outer corner. I need to look at that picture again. Okay, I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand, and this dries so fast, so I'm gonna have to work really quickly. And I'm using an M433. Oh, M443. I was like, that does not sound right. And I'm gonna do like a little arrow at the top. Well, that dried up already. Okay. Oh, and I'm also going to do the two little devil horns up here with the same red lipstick. If you have a liner, I recommend using that. This dries super quick. So I'm just going to take some Shape Tape in this little brush, M213. I'm going to take some setting powder on a clean brush and just go around that. I'm going to add some inner corner highlight. We're going to use that same ColourPop highlight in my finger. I'm going to apply my mascara and some lashes. And I'm going to be using Rowie lashes in the style Miami, which we finally have at Ulta. And I'm just cutting them to fit my eyes. Also, if you want a video on how to apply fake lashes, let me know. Honestly, comment down below any video you want me to do. I've been wearing the same lashes for like a month, and no, I don't wear them every day, but these are so pretty compared to those. Like, those are disgusting. These lashes are just so pretty, and like, they're not uncomfortable. Shh! You know, some YouTubers have problems with like sirens in the background. I'm gonna have problems with bear in the background. I'm gonna do some bottom mascara. Alright, so that is the eye look all complete. Now I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Wet Set in Privacy Please. That color is torn up. And I'm gonna add some of that same ColourPop highlight in Flexitarian. This is beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna add some to the brow bones. I swear these are like all over my house. Like the part of the lashes that I cut, everywhere. I'm gonna use a Kylie matte lipstick in Malibu. After my nails. So now I'm going to set my face using the Morphe spray. I don't have a fan yet. Alright guys, that is the look all complete. I am obsessed with it. The hardest part is going to be the liner, but I'm the worst at liner and I did it, so you can definitely do it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this look, and go ahead and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what videos you want me to do. I'm definitely going to be filming about once a week, maybe more, so yeah. Love you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.